Good morning. I'm not sure if Susanna is up, so I don't want to speak louder. This is my first morning, Saturday morning. It was at first I was scared to the point that I wanted to just call Susanna and say, hey, are you asleep? Can I come? She offered to. She said, listen, if you feel like you can't sleep, come to my tent. I found a connection and contacted my daughter. She said she wasn't worrying. She understood that we are good and that I forgot. But one thing, it is so good. She could see my location because we are sharing our locations with my kids. So she could see. She's like, Mom, I knew on the phone where you are, on the map, like where you are. But yeah, so peaceful. This is the entrance of the camp. By the way, I said Wheeler George. No, it's Wheeler Gorge. But anyways, let me show you. There it is. This is where we are. Wheeler Gorge Campground, Los Padres National Forest. So, yeah, yep. This is where they get their mail. And this is it. That's the entrance. That's the forest. Okay, going back to my camp. Beautiful view. The best time of the day. The best activity that I like to do. Of course, I will share with you what is it that I'm gonna cook. I'm thinking to make some soup, some lentil soup. And I use the camera. Beautiful. Still learning with the camera, but beautiful. And so far I'm enjoying. All right, bye-bye. I am cooking now the soup, and I voice over because the propane gas stove has a hell of a noise. Starting with onions. This is the pot, which is special, and this one I already added onion, the bell peppers, and the tomato. Water too. The soup will start boiling. I'm gonna prepare the potatoes. The soup is very easy to be cooked because it's just bell pepper, tomatoes, onion, of course, and the lentils I already soaked beforehand. It's been soaking for more than 24 hours. And yesterday, I want to just show you, before we went to sleep after the fire, I put potatoes wrapped in the aluminum foil, and they are cooked, of course. So I'm gonna add this in the soup, and it will be just delicious with kind of barbecued potato taste. I already washed all these things. These are the last ingredients. I'm gonna add this at the end. Some broccoli, dill as a herb, and half of the bell pepper that I chopped and roasted with the onion and tomatoes. I added also a bay leaf, dried red basil, cilantro seeds, and peppercorn. Now this will also cook together and give beautiful flavor to this soup. Soup is already done. I'm adding broccoli and the dill, and I'm gonna add also 1 egg, which gives a beautiful flavor and also holds everything together. So did you see my cooking? That's my art. While I was cooking, Susanna was talking to me. I actually enjoyed cooking, of course. Now I'm gonna enjoy the food. So just letting you know. It's sunny though, but we don't care, do we?
No.
We don't care.
We have shade.
We're gonna eat.
Yeah.
All right.
Thank you. And you're in my seat. Enjoying the sun. Lovely Bruno.
You know, sometimes the male bird is the pretty one.
Always. In nature, if you see pretty bird, that's a male. Oh my God, so beautiful. Life in a wilderness. Very good. Feels good. Ha ha! I am having fun. So it's cold now. Temperature dropped. So I am having my socks and long sleeves. And I have been actually totally, it is so fun. I don't know, it's beautiful. Yeah, so we started the fire and I'm gonna make the dinner, but I'm gonna make the dinner on the fire. But yeah, today I'm not scared at all. I'm gonna sleep well. Okay, let me tell you, what time is it? Okay. Wait, it's 7:25. Is it? Sort of my blanket when it's gonna get even colder. So yeah, we have been. Sorry, this was on your way. We have been reading together. Do you feel how quiet it is? That's another interesting aspect about this camp. That it's quiet, even though there are people around us. We have neighbors, but it's quiet. I mean, you don't hear anybody that would be on your way or loud. I brought his blanket.
Yeah, I just saw.
Last night when I was sleeping, and looks like Susanna this morning told me that I had to have my head this side, opposite side.
That
So
was my fault. Wrong thing.
so yeah, so my head was on the other side, and it was cold. The wind, I felt like the wind comes
you
from
also
here.
had your door open, lady.
And my door, I forgot to mention, yes, in the morning when I was telling you how it went the night, I slept until 4:30 a.m. 4:30 a.m. because I woke up twice. 4:30 a.m. I woke up, and because I wanted to go to bathroom, but then I got scared. It's pitch black. What bathroom? And then I wanted to wake her up. I'm like, Susanna, Susanna. And of course she's sleeping. I have to probably yell Susanna. But anyways, I see the door is open. So I closed the door, zipped the door. I think I should change this phone kind of here maybe, guys. So you see my face better because because it's getting darker, but we have this fire here. So another thing I was gonna say is that I know, excuse me, I know that it's gonna come out beautiful content, very natural, raw, however it happened. But at the same time, I feel like I'm not recording as much. Why? Because first of all, I don't want to annoy Susanna. This is her vacation too. I don't know if I mentioned, maybe I did, but I'm gonna repeat myself. I asked to join her. This is her vacation. I don't want to be all the time, hello, hi, woo. So that's why I'm not doing many of hello, hi, woo things. But I found sometimes to connect with you, share my thoughts and feelings, because this is my first time camping. I love it. I genuinely am in love with the place. It's a beautiful place. So yeah. And when it's dark, actually, another point about camping, you just see it. I'm just gonna come closer so you can see my face. So when it's dark, you just see it, and I just enjoy. I don't know if you can hear the frogs. Frogs started their concert. This is the second day ending